Hello, and welcome to our quick tutorial on Google Sheets. Today, we're going to learn how to insert a line break within a cell to make your data more readable. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. You can do this by navigating to sheets.google.com and selecting the document you wish to edit. Step 2. Find the cell where you want to add a line break. Click on the cell to make sure it's active. Step 3. Double-click inside the cell, or press Enter to start editing the cell's content. Step 4. Place your cursor at the point where you want the line break. Step 5. For Windows users, press Alt-Enter to insert the line break. For Mac users, press Ctrl-Option-Enter. Step 6. You'll see that the text now appears on multiple lines within the same cell. Click another cell or press Enter to finish editing. And there you have it. You now know how to insert line breaks in Google Sheets cells. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your spreadsheet skills.